How to enable adverse driving exemption in TruckX Driver's Logbook app on wired ELD. Find and tap on the TruckX Driver's Logbook app on the homepage of the wired ELD tablet. Once you are in the app, click on More. Click on Exemptions to enable any exemption. Select Adverse Driving Exemption Setup. Click on Setup to enable adverse driving exemption. Enter the reason for activating the adverse driving exemption. This exemption can be used when a driver encounters adverse conditions like snow, ice, sleet, fog, or other weather conditions that were not known or could not reasonably be known before starting the duty day or driving. After entering the reason, click on Activate. A dialog box will appear. Tap on OK. The adverse driving exemption is now activated, and you will see the message Adverse Driving Exemption active at the top. The same information will be visible on the home page of the app. You will also notice that the driver time has been increased to 13 hours from 11, and the shift time has been increased to 16 hours from 14.